Hi folks. So welcome to the first time I'm going to use my oven, and I'm going to cook something pretty simple just for testing, and it's going to be baked chicken thighs and roasted potatoes. Both are very easy, very simple recipes. I'm going to turn on this oven, and I have to press and hold this in. So I got it to turn on. Here are my chicken thighs, and they're in this water because these were frozen. And I'm going to put them on this towel and dry them because I want the skin dry, and I'm going to pat them dry. Okay, so here I'm going to put some garlic salt on it and also some ground black pepper. I do have peppercorns, and I could put freshly ground, but I'm just going to use the pre-ground stuff. And I'm going to put a pretty fair amount. Put a pretty fair amount of this garlic salt on here on both sides. So I want to point out that these are Filipino chicken thighs, and they're quite a bit smaller than what you'll find in the USA. Their Filipino chickens are maybe half the size of what you'll see in the USA, or maybe 2/3 the size, something like that. Anyway, we get some black pepper going on here. And especially on the top side, we want some. So now I'm going to put the chicken thighs in this baking dish. I bought this dish in the USA at a yard sale for $1. And I'm glad I have it, to be honest with you. So that's the next step. So here are my potatoes, and I washed these, and I cut them basically into quarters. There was one big one that I cut into 6 pieces. And I left the skins on. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on here. Now, I should tell you that one reason I'm making this video is because my YouTube buddy, Michael's Home Cooking, he's my favorite cooking channel. He makes very good, down-to-earth recipes, and seems like a really nice guy. And he asked me to do a recipe in the oven because he follows my channel, and if anybody wants to watch recipes, on YouTube, then they should really watch his channel, because I really do appreciate his input on my channel, and you know, he always answers my comments. He's a good guy. He really is. Now it's time to sprinkle salt in these potatoes, and you need a pretty fair amount of salt. And I'm running into a problem that I'll talk about in another video. I had to go get some more salt. I guess I'll mention the problem here right now. Since this is such a humid climate, I was trying to use this salt here, and it gets all plugged up because there's so much humidity in the air. So now that the potatoes are salted, I'm going to put them in this other baking dish that I have. So now we're going to put this in the oven. That's the chicken. And here are the potatoes. And I'm thankful that they both fit in there. I wasn't sure that they would. But I'm going to I have a timer here. I'm going to put the timer for 1 hour. So here are my chicken thighs and my potatoes. So here's the final result. And I already tasted one of them. One of the chicken thighs, and it's really very good. The potatoes are not as good as I would like, but it's still a good recipe. Thanks for watching.